This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth in typical ramen. Crafting a delicious ramen broth is a rewarding process that forms the foundation of an authentic bowl. We'll explore the essential components and techniques to achieve that rich, umami-packed flavor. Understanding the different types of broths and their unique characteristics is key to customizing your perfect ramen experience. Get ready to elevate your home cooking with these fundamental steps. To begin, gather your core ingredients. For a classic tonkatsu, you'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of pork bones, often femurs or trotters, blanched to remove impurities. For a lighter shio or shoyu, chicken bones work wonderfully. Don't forget aromatics such as a 2-inch piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, and a few scallion whites. These elements are simmered together to extract maximum flavor and create a complex base. The simmering process is where the magic happens. After blanching your bones for about 10 minutes and rinsing them thoroughly, place them in a large pot with cold water. For a tonkatsu broth, simmer for 8 to 12 hours, maintaining a rolling boil to emulsify the fats and create that signature milky texture. For chicken-based broths, a gentle simmer for 3 to 6 hours is usually sufficient. Remember to skim off any foam that rises to the surface for a clearer broth. Once your broth has simmered to perfection, it's time to finish it. Carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. Now, you can season it to your liking. A typical ramen bowl uses about 1.5 cups of broth. Add a dash of soy sauce, a spoonful of miso paste, or a pinch of salt to achieve your desired flavor balance. This rich, homemade broth is now ready to be the star of your ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.